Hey guys, quick unboxing of this 5-in-1 fire starter set here. I do a lot of camping and stuff in the summertime, so I got this because it's something that I think is nice to have if you're out. Sometimes your lighters don't work, things like that. Just don't have one. It's probably especially good for people who may be a bit more extreme and like to go out hiking, like mountain hiking, things like that. Um, so much like that part's not for me, but I do think it's good for camping. So anyway, open the box. You can see it comes in this pack, like a little plastic sleeve here. So you get two rods and two like flint striker bars here. And then you also get a set of rope here. Now, what it has, so I'm gonna read it off the manual here. So striker bar, flint, fire paracord, a compass, and whistle is what you get in here. I wasn't sure at first what this rope was for, but I just saw it in the instructions while I was glancing at it to read it to you. That what you do with this is actually to start your fire. You kind of build up your little kindling pile, and then once you have that ready, this is actually used to light, almost like a wick, so to keep your hands away from it. So you can light this and let it lead into your kindling pile, so your fire can actually start. So yeah, guys, just wanted to do that quick unboxing for you and show you what you were getting.